Hi, this is Mike Toomey with Secom Security, and today I would like to take you on a tour of our new demo room. It starts on the outside with our dual authentication card reader that's necessary for SCIFs. This is not a SCIF, but the electronic security portion of it is built out as if it were a SCIF, so our government and defense contractors can come in and take a look at what we do. Once you enter the space, you'll see everything is in pipe, our balanced magnetic switch, the DMP keypad, all the sensors above, ceiling, and below are installed in rigid conduit. Over here we have our server rack where we've built a server capable of handling the requirements of all the systems that we use. So from this one server, we're able to output to 4 monitors where we can pull up any of the systems that you're interested in. We can pull up live for you. They work here in our office where these are live systems that you can play with. We'll pull them all up for you, and you can get in there and play with them and see how you like the systems and make the best decision for your business. We can pull up video systems. We can pull up access control systems. You can go in, you can play with them. There's nothing you can hurt. They're live systems. You can see the live activity coming through. You can see some of the integrations we have between the access control and the video systems. We also have all the hardware that we install in place in our demo room, just as you would see it in your server room typically. Here's one of our cloud-based access control platforms. Again, this is controlling 4 doors in our office here. You can come in, pull up the user interface, play with it, see if it's something that might interest you. We also have software-based systems for our government customers and people that need to keep their security behind their firewall. We have software-based solutions as well. Coming down here, we have alarm systems. This is more of our business-grade alarm, more access control. And then we have what our government customers, our SCIF customers use, and it's what we have installed here, again, as if this was built out to be a SCIF. A recent industry report was published about the longevity of security systems in businesses. The average system is in place 12 years. Here at Secom, we found it to be much longer than that. So we implore you to come in, do the due diligence, play with the systems, and make the decision that is best for you today as well as tomorrow. And we also need to consider that these are a lot more than just security systems. You don't use your video system anymore just for historical purposes, going back and reviewing archived events. These are now business data tools. You can tell how many people came through an opening. In retail, you can do heat maps where you can tell where people gather over the last 30 days. There's so many more things you can do with these systems beyond security. It's amazing. So please take advantage of the opportunity, come in, play with the systems, and see how Secom can better help your business be secure.